Hello, it's CreativeSarah here. Today we're gonna do a fun This Home Believes little mini box frame. It is so cute. I love our little 4-pack of box frames. They're 3x3 and they fit perfectly with our mini transfers. This is our Jingle All the Way minis. I have been showing this off for a little while now. I'm in love, especially this transfer that I'm gonna show you. It's so cute. Okay, so we have our little transfer and some white chalk paste with a little bit of water. I am painting the wooden cutout that I got from our creative woodcut shop on Etsy. You can check the link in the video to grab those woodcuts. Now, I am drying our little painting. We did like a whitewash, so easy peasy. And I used the chalk paste, remember. So now that I have that done, what we're going to do is we're going to chalk it. So I'm going to take my transfer and give it a good fuzzing on our fuzz cloth and just kind of line it up there with the piece. I can do this fairly easily because it's white in the background. Now I'm just going to use some of our black velvet chalk paste, and I think I'm going to use a little bit of candy apple for the word believes because, right, it should be like that cheery word. So, ooh, it's shimmer, 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 crimson. All right, so we've got our shimmer and our black, and wait till we peel this off. There it is. There it is. So proud. So this is going to get dried. We're going to go ahead and use our quick dry tool. You'll love our quick dry tool if you don't already have one. And we're going to go ahead and pop it into the frame, use our 2-glue method, and we've got it on. And one quick little baby embellishment to finish it off. Guys, if you love these little DIY projects and crafting projects, make sure you follow me for more information. You can also join my free crafting group by commenting VIP in the comments. There you go. Enjoy.